Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, taste the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later.
My trip to Korea was quite a long one this time around. It almost felt like I was on 3 different trips. First was with my mom, second was a girls trip to Japan, and third was with Blurry Salsa Man. We've been looking forward to this trip for so long. New York is great, but sometimes we definitely need a good break from it.
Snowed last night like crazy. Look at the snow!
I took him to this brunch cafe that I came with my mom. I love the cozy interior and I knew I had to take Blurry Salsa Man. And I want to give a big thank you to Shopify for sponsoring this video. Blurry Salsa Man and I are both INFJs. He's a simple guy. He shows his love through acts of service and words of affirmation, and he's always early to everything. He says if you're not early, you're late. We're on our way to get our teeth whitened. One thing Blurry Salsa Man wanted to do in Korea was get teeth whitening. So, we got teeth whitening. I honestly didn't go in with much thought, but wow, we left the dentist with pearly white teeth and we couldn't stop looking at each other's teeth. Sorry guys, I don't know how else to show you my teeth.
It's really white. I didn't.
Yours has a very significant difference.
Yours too.
She said my teeth were already very white.
Show up.
But your teeth are so white.
Yours are.
We're at Kyobo Mungo, which is a big bookstore here in Korea. And I am about to buy some Korean language workbooks because I realized how crap my Korean language speaking skills are. I'm gonna get some books to brush up on my Korean. I feel like I should get level 6. That's the highest level.
Very confident.
No, because I need intensive. 서울대 or 연대?
What's the difference?
They're like made by different universities.
Oh. Well, Hyundai is your alma mater.
I heard Seogang University, they are more focused on speaking, which is what I did. Hello everyone, I wanted to pop on really quickly and talk about Shopify. Even when I'm traveling, as someone who runs an online business and is also a freelancer, that means I'm always on work mode. So Shopify is a commerce platform that I built the Little Puffy website back in 2019. Oh my god, we're live! I had absolutely no previous knowledge in running an online business, but it was so easy to get started. Shopify is very user-friendly and it's easy for anyone to get started. And if you remember the Lil Puffy pop-up store that I did in New York, I actually hosted the event at the Shopify store and it took months of preparation and I worked really closely with the Shopify team and they were just so helpful. They offered me so much support and resources and they really truly do put their merchants first and they support your journey from first sale to full scale. And for a free trial, you can go to shopify.com/Michelle Choi and I'll leave the link in the description. We're literally gonna be there in an hour and he's already had his second snack, breakfast. Hello everyone, I am back at the airport once again. We're gonna go on a small little trip to Jeju Island, which I'm so excited about. You best believe we were the first people to board the planes.
No wonder why.
Oh, there's a pool outside. So last minute we decided to go to Jeju Island with some friends, and it was easily one of our favorite moments of this trip.
Where's the other one?
On the first one? Wow. We just made it to Jeju. We checked into our, I guess it's just like a property, like a really nice property that overlooks out to the ocean, and it looks so nice. We are off. We are off to our first location. We're gonna eat some noodles. Jeju 국수?
국수.
Being on the island, eating endless amount of Jeju oranges and delicious food was so healing for us.
It's good?
이게 안 먹으면은
Jeju Queen.
Good morning, everyone. I'm the first person to be up. I'm the only morning person in this household. I've just been editing in the morning, and now I'm gonna jump in the pool because we're moving houses today and I want to experience the outside pool. To be honest, as a couple, we don't really go on extravagant date nights. Our dates usually consist of going to the groceries, going for a walk to get coffee and food, and by the time the weekend rolls around, all we want to do is rest and be absolutely lazy. Although there's nothing wrong with that, we both felt like we needed to get out, explore, and reconnect through travel to clear our minds so we're ready to take on another year. Our Blues and Samdari were one of our favorite Korean dramas. We found it so healing and peaceful to watch, and we fantasized what our lives would be like living on an island. We don't remember the last time we've been around nature, but we sure needed it and loved every second of it. This view from here and this view from back here. Blurry Sauce Man has a really bad shellfish allergy, but he gets so excited whenever he sees it.
Oh, you should try one.
After a long day of walking around, our friend suggested a short 15-minute hike to see the sunset. It'll be great for photos, they said.
Oh, yeah.
I got off the mountain to see the damn sunset.
They forgot to mention the part where it was a 15-minute full incline hike. I was probably the most out of shape person hiking up this mountain.
It's not worth it, guys.
We ended our night at the sauna with an outdoor oncheon. I will say, after the difficult hike, the food, the water, the hot rooms, everything was just absolute perfection.
Wow.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I just woke up, but I wanted to give you a house tour of this beautiful property in Jeju Island. It's so beautiful, and do you hear the birds? So you come in through this door. And this outdoor pool. Wow. Now that is goals. And then Coco is staying in that house next door. And the kitchen, the bedroom.